Welcome to Peace of Mind Meditations. Thank you for joining me today as we shift out of our fight or flight mode and enter into a state of relaxation where the body can rest, heal, and function optimally. This reset meditation will involve us activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts stress and brings the body back into balance. Let's go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can be either seated or lying down, and let your body settle. Let your hands rest softly. You can have your palms up if you'd like to invite openness, or your palms facing down if you'd like to feel grounded and supported. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze toward the floor. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow open mouth exhale. Again, inhale deeply, filling your belly and ribs, and exhale fully, releasing any tension. Feel your body begin to arrive right here, right now. Nothing to fix, nothing to do, just be. Bring awareness to your breath as you inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, and exhale through your mouth. As you continue to breathe through inhale and exhalation, a longer exhale signals safety to your nervous system, telling your body it is okay to rest. As you continue this breath, notice your heartbeat. Feel it beginning to slow down. Your breath and heart moving together in harmony. With every exhale, your muscles soften, your shoulders drop, your jaw relaxes, your body begins to remember what peace feels like. Just be. Now imagine a gentle wave of warm light at the base of your spine. This light moves slowly upward, a soft and calming light that represents safety, ease, and healing. As it rises up your back, your muscles unwind. This light travels up your spine, your neck, and gently washes over your head like warm sunlight. With each breath, this wave moves through your whole body, down your arms, through your chest, your abdomen, your hips, your legs, until your entire body is bathed in this light. This light tells your nervous system you are safe, you are supported, you can let go now. Feel your breath deepen naturally. Your body knows how to heal when given permission to slow down. Now bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. Feel the rise and fall beneath your palms. Feel your chest and stomach expanding as you breathe in, and slowly falling as you exhale. Let your body move in rhythm with your breath. Silently repeat to yourself, I am safe in this moment. My body knows how to relax. I trust the rhythm of my breath. As you breathe, imagine your vagus nerve, the long nerve running from your brain down to your body, softly glowing with blue light. Each exhale releases built-up stress from this system. Each inhale sends calm energy through every cell in your body. You might even begin to feel a gentle tingling or warmth. That's your nervous system recalibrating, releasing. Let your body sink deeper into peace. Begin to bring awareness back to your senses. Notice the sounds around you, the temperature of the air on your skin, the weight of your body. You feel anchored in this present moment. You are here. You are whole. You are enough. Let's take a final full inhale through the nose and exhale, gentle, slow through the mouth. Allow your body to feel light and open. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take in your surroundings with soft awareness. Carry this sense of calm and grounded presence with you as you move through your day. Your nervous system is reset. Your mind is clear. You are home in your body. Namaste.